Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Tundra 4x4 double cab SR5 with the long box and the 5.7 liter engine. This truck comes in an alpine white and it is ready to help you establish your fleet with your touch panel display integrated with backup camera, Bluetooth connectivity, and your front heated seats for the ultimate driving convenience and comfort. But why don't we hop on inside and take a look at the interior features. Helping you into your Tundra is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all four doors, press twice. As you can see, you have your V8 badging. You have your black side view mirrors and handles. You also have this cool handle detailing as part of your double cab. So you have passenger seating up to 5. Opening it up now to take a look. You've got plenty of height and space to hop into your Tundra. You've got a rugged styled interior with your additional storage on the side. You have that metallic trim. You also do have your black leather trim all throughout to help with your cabin road noise. You have your power windows, power locks. You also do have your power adjustable side mirrors. You have your leveling headlamp leveling. You also do have your cargo bed lamp plus your automatic high beams. You have your illuminated entry, plus you have your power adjustable driver's seat, so you're riding away in the ultimate comfort. And check out these sweet, extremely comfortable premium cloth seats with that center detailing, just to tie everything together. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Tundra, simply put your foot on the brake and that key in the ignition there. Dashboard's gonna light up with that cool white ambient lighting, plus you have your welcome screen. Taking a look at your dashboard, now you have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. An important setting feature to open up on your display here is your Toyota Safety Sense features. So things like your lane departure alert, your pre-collision system, you can turn on and off those alerts or set the sensitivity of those sensors. In addition to that, you have your volume control, mode changers, voice command, and hands-free calling mounted on one side. Plus you have your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set your cruise control from below here. It says radar ready on the dashboard because it is a distance keeping feature as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. You have a nice, sleek steering wheel, plus you have your automatic headlights with your fog lamps. You have your windshield wipers for your front, and on this side here you'll find your trailer brake output as well as your tow haul option, your traction control. Of course you need your 4x4 option, and you also do have your touch panel LCD screen here. So opening up your settings, we are going to turn on the daytime mode for your screen here so you can see. Opening up your audio system, you can see that you have your AM, FM radio, you have a Sirius XM radio, CD player on top, USB auxiliary, and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on that screen there. A nice convenience feature to have. Keep you and everyone nice and safe. Opening up your applications again, you can see that you have the option to set a different color for your screen to match your style and personality. So this is the blue one, and then you also have the red one and 2 additional other colors there. Below here you'll find your climate control. You have these sweet illuminated knobs. You also do have your air conditioning, definitely going to come in handy during those hot summer months. Below here you have your 2 12-volt AC chargers plus a USB auxiliary input. You also do have your heated seat option for both your driver and your passenger side. You have your media storage plus a stylish shift knob. With your sport drive mode, you have that chrome detailing on your cup holder. You have your SR5 badging on top of your center console, Plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have another 12-volt DC charger in case you need to charge your tablet for work, and you have additional storage compartments on the top. And taking a look inside your glove box, you'll find all the manuals you need to know, everything there is to know about your Tundra, plus there's a lock there for added safety. There's that metallic trim and that chrome finish, finishing everything off on the inside of your Tundra. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Tundra. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear cargo lamp in the back in case you need to work. You also do have your manual slide rear window to let in all of that fresh air. This unit comes with the long box to add to the versatility of your Tundra. You also do have your standard backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You have a handy step plus your chrome detailing. Taking a look here, you have your trailer tow equipment, plus your spare tire storage below. You have your standard mud flats to keep down those rock chips. And you have a nice quiet cabin as we take one more look at the back of your Tundra. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Tundra 4x4 double cab SR5 with the long box and the 5.7 liter engine. Built right into your Tundras, your Toyota safety sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system to have you riding away in the ultimate safety. But don't just take my word for it, come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.